Everyone, welcome to ECASCloud. In this video we are going to see how to create a NSG network security group and how to add inbound rules and how to associate it with subnets. Okay, so I already have one resource group and one VNet with two subnets, private subnet and public subnet, and I'm going to create one NSG. So type NSG. So here you get a network security group. Select network security group, create new, click on create. Yes, select the resource group and give any name. I'm giving it as East Private NSG. Okay, and I'm selecting the region to be in East US. Tags review plus create. So yes, the resource NSG is created. Now go to the resource. See, there are inbound security rules and outbound security rules. So inbound is the traffic's coming to the network, and outbound security rules are the traffic going out from the network. Okay, so I'm going to create two inbound security rules. Go click on add. So source, I'm going to select it any, and here port ranges star means it any. Okay, so destination is also any. I'm going to select the service to be RDP, so I have to allow RDP. So action is allow, priority 100 only, and I'm going to name it as allow RDP. Yes, and click on add. So now it is creating the security rule. So it is created now. Refresh once and you could see allow RDP, and I'm going to allow one more service also, that is HTTP, and so action allow, priority 110, and name I'm going to give as allow http add. So this is how you have to add rules, inbound security rules. Similarly, you can, if you want to add any outbound security rules, you can do in the same way. And the next thing after creating these rules, we have to associate this energy to subnets. So click on subnets under settings and click associate with virtual network. Yes, and the subnet I'm going to select as, since it is private energy, I need to select East Private Subnet. Click OK. So this is how you have to associate the subnet with NSG. So basically NSG is the network security group. We saw how to create a network security group and how to add inbound security rules and how to associate it with subnets. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.